see clear because the vision's here. Feel? Anyways, I'm Chef Jay. Welcome back to my kitchen here in Las Vegas, Nevada. The fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada.
We got calabacitas today.
Oh my god.
With some
The fuck out.
onion, carrots, green chili, squash. We're gonna have some
Nice.
guacamole, some black bean puree. All gonna be on top of these little cute little tortillas with some red chili marinated steak. You say it so much better. Okay.
Welcome back, people. We're here. We're gonna get down. So, today I got... I'm telling you, to start this whole thing off, we're gonna do some cilantro white rice. Let's get started. Something I didn't say that we were gonna do, that I always like to do to start off doing, is drinking a beer.
Ooh, la la.
So I'm cooking some Mexican here. I'm not cooking a Mexican, I'm cooking some Mexican.
Mexican food.
Mexican food, I guess. I'm sorry. We're cooking up some Mexican food here.
There we go.
So I'm gonna pop the top to that good old Mexican. Can you take care of that, please?
Sir, I'd like a cheers first.
Oh. Now I look like an alcoholic double fisting.
It's okay.
I'm not in high school anymore. Like I said, we're gonna start off with some of that white rice. Oh, I would have broke that. These are a family heirloom from Crystal once again. Probably not Monty Montana or Bill.
Bill's wife.
Bill's wife. Wow.
My grandma's food.
Billie Jean. Oh, I mean Grandma Sue. So please come here. Wash me. I mean, watch me wash me. Don't worry, I washed my hands before. Come on, guys. I'm just washing this. Get some of that little starchy starch off, so it's not so sticky. Look at all that. See? And then you could get any of anything else in there that maybe if you got it from a bag or something and you ripped it open and maybe you got a little piece of plastic, you can at least see and get it out that way. It's always good to clean your stuff, even vegetables.
What is it you're doing?
I'm just trying to match my finger on that the water line to match my finger. Almost. Look at
Why are
that.
you fingering the rice again?
Come on, please, take it easy. I wash my hands. I feel like I'm in...
I don't know the technique.
Are you a cop? Take it easy.
Oh.
Okay, I'm sorry. She didn't mean to yell. I'm just gonna cook some regular white rice and I'm gonna add the cilantro and seasonings later, you know what I mean? So, boom, one and done. So you could even actually save half of it and make something else with it. Look at that, cooking at home. It's brilliant. Cheers, Sue. Then, the next thing that's gonna take long as fuck, some beans. Am I right? Just gonna go ahead and throw these Mexican caviar right in there. Look at that. But like, hey man, the pan's not even on. What are you doing? Take it easy. It's not time yet. To those black beans, I'm just gonna go ahead and add this onion. I just want to make it small enough just so they kind of cook a little bit faster. That. Look at that. So simple. Go ahead and add some aqua. I mean, I'm only gonna add a little bit of water because I kind of want this a little bit of like pasty. Because I'm gonna spread that right on that taco. I'm just gonna add it now. That's onion powder, garlic powder, and just a tidbit of cumin. And honestly, I'm just gonna put that on glass. We're just gonna keep that going. And you'll know it's ready when those onions and garlics are real nice and tender. I like to go like that. Like, all right, it's tender. Just me. Cooking's great. I mean, it's good time, it's good fun. I know it puts a smile on Crystal's face. So that's always good. So I got your main components going. Things that are gonna take just some time. But as of right now, we're gonna move on to the guac. Who doesn't like guac? Everyone likes guac. Actually, I lied. I used to fucking hate guac. What? True confessions. I'm just telling you my life story here. At one point, I never liked sushi. But, catch me now. That shit, all you can eat, all you regret. Oh, well, for them, not me. Sorry, guys, I know you're asleep.
Aww.
Oh, look at that, I almost missed. But all I did was halve them. That's all I did. Cut in half, take out the pit carefully. I mean, come on, guys. Just common sense. You have to bite it out. Duh. Look at that. So simple, yet graceful. Here, some tomatoes. I'm just gonna rough chop, dude. Look at that. Be careful. Food Network it. You know. I mean, it doesn't have to be always so precise how they show it, and I mean, like, look at that. My chef would not approve at all.
I do.
Crystal approves. Add that right there. Oh shit, what was that? A little bit of that juice. Oh wait! Cut up a little bit of that cilantrocito. I mean, like, look. Quick. I mean, sometimes people like add so much stuff to their food, and it's like, yeah, it's great, it tastes good, but I mean, you could have saved yourself. We're not adding all that bullshit. Right, who? Very rustic. Pepper. Just gonna add a little bit of lemon because I don't have lime. But you know what? It's the thing about cooking at home. It doesn't matter. If you have some citrus, have some citrus. Oh my god. I think that's gonna be really good. So I can hear my beans going off right now. Come here. Come here. Come. And then if you look here, I still got the white rice. The white rice going. Come on, Sue. Sous chef.
Stirring them up.
Do you think they feel like my belly yet, or no? Is it lemon?
No.
You're supposed to say no. You have hard rock abs, so
Oh.
you never feel like that.
No.
Because you're cooking them.
Oh, well then that.
I just gotta whisk. I'm just gonna mash it up. Right, Who? See? I like my boy. He understands. Oh my god. Should have got a bigger bowl. Shitter's bowl. Okay. And I even like it a little bit chunky. About to do these black beans. I'm about to get my ribeye rolling. But you're like, fuck, we haven't even seen anything about this ribeye. You said it right from the get-go, but we don't see nothing. But look at this little guy. Been right there. Looking at you. Follow me. Hey, meet him. Oh, lordy lordy. That right there. Red chili base. I mean, I put up some garlic, some onion. There's a little bit of cilantro in there. We're ready for these beans as well. Look at this. Oh, Mexican jumping beans. I'm gonna do next. Take my beans and my trusty blender. And we're just gonna blend, man. Be careful, it's hot. You want that shit to bust in your face. Oh, damn. Looks like a Cypress Hill concert in there. Ready. Come on. Follow me here. Got my pan nice and hot. Oh my god. You can even feel that it's even just more tender sitting in that. Want to let some of that excess fall off, you know what I mean? You want to cause a crazy fire. Some salt. Seasoning, salt and pepper. The Mario and Luigi is seasoning, you feel? Who's in the kitchen with Jaime? Who's in the kitchen? I know. So we just flipped it. Looks amazing. It smells amazing. Let it sit there, let the residual heat do its thing. And I'm gonna go ahead and move this guy out of the pick and move this guy into the scene. I'm gonna make these calabacitas. Calabacitas. I did a little bit of carrot, some onion, there's some shredded asadero, zucchini, squash, and of course, some Hatch, New Mexico green chili. So of course I'm going to start off with the carrots because that's going to take a while, and the onion. So there's a lot of different renditions about calabacitas. I know my mom, she actually puts ground beef, and she actually uses like whatever, I guess she has cheddar or Munster or Colby, whatever. But still, an old classic, still a favorite. And now I'm going to go ahead and throw those zucchini and squash in there. Throw in some of that green chili right now. Be careful with this stuff. Place some of that Avocado in there. Beans done. Calabacitas done. So I'm going to prepare the rice now. So I'm just letting that steak rest there, you know. Let it do its thing. Cilantro here. I mean, at the same time as well, I'm thinking about these tortillas in front of me. So I'm gonna get a pan going for that. Be careful, it's hot. You know what I mean? Gloved up. Caution. I'm a big seasoner, because I'm not afraid of flavor. Since I have no lime, I got a trusty little chili lime seasoning that I'm just gonna kind of put right on top. Hopefully that can do a little something for me and Crystal. We got the rice. I need a beer. You give me a sec. Please. Talent is stressed. And I need a beer. Thanks. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I love cooking. I love entertaining. So, doing this, I get to do a little bit of both. Tortillas. These are actually flour. I'm gluttonous free. This is what I chose. So you mean I don't have an actual comal, pero this works, man. It's nice. I'm sure it's hot. Feel that. I used to see my mom always do that. Hand test.
Don't want to.
Stop! Don't be afraid. Let's get a little bit of color. I mean, just so you know that they're a little bit warm. Throw that last guy right there. Look at that. They're good. I mean, it's a taco. It's calientita. I'm just gonna give it a few slices here. You know what I mean? I got a little bit of pink in there. Nothing crazy. Like I said, let's go on a taco. All this out here, that's what your main interest is right there. Oh, man. That's it. Gonna plate it up for y'all. We got tacos, calabacitas, cilantro, white rice. Look at the spread here. Look what we got here. It's amazing. Talk about a Taco Tuesday, no? Oh yeah. And then notice all of Crystal's. Please. So I'm gonna start off with these calabacitas just in a bowl. Look at that. Now, the assembly. We got our taco, a little smear of that bean puree that we made that smelled amazing. Come over here. Gonna grab a little hunk of meat right there. Oh my god. A little bit of guac. That chunky guac. Some salsita. And a little sprinklita. Instant replay. You know what? I know I can eat 3. I can eat like 7. So. And man, you think it's done. You're like, oh wow, that's amazing. But you know what? I have a little bit of cotija here to just kind of, what? Hi, Jay, what are you doing? What are you doing, man? Anyways, that's what we got. Check it. If you're a taco fan, I'm a fan of you. So, let's go get tacos. Till next time, see what else I make. See what else I got in my fridge. Later.